Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the Wild Classroom. In the last lecture, we talked about plastic and fiberglass tanks. So today we move to one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly option for aquaculture. Yes, Tarpaulin tanks. So students, before we move forward, I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps me create more lectures that can benefit farmers, students and aquacultures worldwide. Students, if you are just starting fish farming or if you have a low budget but still want to try aquaculture, Tarpaulin tanks are the best starting points for you. So please stay till the end. This lecture might give you the first real step to start your own fish farming business. So Tarpaulin tanks are very simple but very useful. They are built using a frame made of steel, bamboo or wood, and the inside of the frame is lined with a waterproof tarpaulin sheets. So students, they can be circular or rectangular in shape. A farmer can set one up in just a single day using local materials. So that's why many beginners in villages, towns and even cities use them to start aquaculture with very little cost. So how do tarpaulin tanks work? First, you fill them with clean water. Then if you stock more fish, you add aeration system like air blowers or small aerators. I already discussed about these aerator systems in my one of the aquaculture lecture series, so must watch. And the third is you can also add inlet and outlet pipes for easier water exchange. So finally, you stock fish depending on tank size and water quality. So students, these tanks are especially useful for short production cycles and for small fish farming projects. Now the important question is, why should you choose tarpaulin tanks? The first thing is they are very low in cost and perfect for beginners. Movable, you can set up anywhere and move it if needed. Then quick setup, you can build in one day. Then they are great for trials, learnings and even rooftop farming. So this is why NGOs and training programs often use tarpaulin tanks to teach farmers aquaculture basics. So, but there are also some disadvantages you should know. The first disadvantage is they have short lifespan, only 2 to 3 years, and can tear or leak if not handled carefully. And also they are not suitable for very large scale production. So tarpaulin tanks are excellent for starting small, but once you grow, you may want to invest in concrete or fiberglass systems. Now let's discuss about the real life examples. In Pakistan, India, Nigeria and Indonesia, thousands of beginners use tarpaulin tanks to test aquaculture. In urban areas, people farm tilapia, catfish or ornamental fish on rooftops. In villages, they are used for training programs. Even NGOs provide them in disaster areas to give families a quick food and income source. So this proves how versatile tarpaulin tanks are for different situations. So dear students, the main message is this: if you are a beginner, start with tarpaulin tanks. They are low cost, easy to build and perfect for learning. Once you gain experience, you can move to concrete, fiberglass or raw systems. So in our next lecture, we will cover cage culture in natural water, an amazing opportunity for those living near rivers, lakes or coastal areas. So if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss these opportunities. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.